Stop for a second and listen carefully. This is not just another motivational video you scroll past and forget. This might be the message that separates the version of you that stays stuck from the person that finally moves forward. Right now, somewhere deep inside, you already know something has to change. You've been telling yourself the same promises for months, maybe years. I'll start tomorrow. Next week will be different. Next year will be my year. But tomorrow keeps moving. Weeks disappear. Years pass quietly. And one day you wake up and realize you're standing in the exact same place. Here's a question you need to answer honestly. If nothing changes in the next year, will you be proud of where you are? Or will you feel the same frustration you feel today, just heavier? 1 year sounds like a long time, but in reality, it's just 365 small days. And every single one of those days is a vote for the person you are becoming. Most people think life changes in big dramatic moments. It doesn't. Life changes in small daily decisions that seem unimportant at the time. Skipping a workout, choosing your phone over your goals, saying I'll do it later. These moments feel harmless, but repeated over a year, they build a life you never planned to live. The opposite is also true. A short walk instead of sitting all day, 10 minutes of learning instead of scrolling, waking up a little earlier, keeping one small promise to yourself. These actions look tiny, almost invisible, but stacked over a year, they create a completely different person. The biggest mistake people make is waiting to feel ready. They think motivation has to come first, but motivation is unreliable. Some days you'll feel strong, most days you won't. If your progress depends on motivation, you will always stop when things get hard. What actually changes lives is discipline, and discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up even when you don't feel like it. Especially when you don't feel like it, you don't need to fix your entire life today. That idea is overwhelming, and overwhelm leads to quitting. Instead, focus on one simple rule: improve something small every day. Just one thing, make today slightly better than yesterday. Over time, these small improvements compound. They build confidence, they create momentum, and momentum is powerful. Once you start moving forward, it becomes easier to keep going. Imagine yourself 1 year from now, not a fantasy version, a realistic one, a person who kept showing up daily, a person who stopped breaking promises to themselves, a person who didn't wait for the perfect moment, but used the moments they had. That future version of you is not created by luck, it's created by repetition, by choosing growth over comfort again and again. Comfort feels safe, but it slowly traps you. Growth feels uncomfortable, but it expands your life. Every day you stand between these two options, and every day you choose one, even if you don't notice it. The truth is simple. If you keep living the same days, you will keep getting the same year. Nothing changes until your daily actions change. So start small, start messy, start imperfect, but start. Do the task you've been avoiding. Take the step you've been delaying. Speak the truth you've been hiding from yourself. You don't need permission. You don't need a special date on the calendar. Today is enough. A year from now, you will wish you had started today. Everyone says that sentence. Few people actually listen to it. The ones who do are the ones whose lives transform. This is not about becoming someone else. It's about becoming the person you already know you can be. The disciplined version, the focused version. The version that doesn't quit after a bad day. You will still have hard days. You will still feel tired and doubtful. But those days don't define you. Your decision to continue does. And when you look back after 12 months of consistent effort, the change won't just be visible in your results. It will be visible in your mindset. You'll trust yourself more. You'll move with more certainty. You'll realize that progress was never magic. It was daily commitment. If this message reached you at the right moment, don't ignore that feeling. Let it be the line that separates your old patterns from your new direction. Decide that this is the year you stop repeating the same cycle. Decide that this is the year you act. Take the first step today. Type "I'm starting now" in the comments and hit subscribe.